The World Motorsport Council recently published the new 2022-2023 F1 technical directives, which speaks specifically to the floor changes for next year, as well as the F1 engine regulations for 2026. More importantly, as of the Belgium GP, the FIA has approved and implement porposing and roll hoop changes. Will Red Bull, Ferrari or Mercedes benefit from the new technical directives, or will there be continued protest by some teams? Let's find out after this. "2026 will bring with it a new era of power units that will be utilized in the Formula One World Championship. The 2026 PU regulations underline the FIA's ongoing commitment to push innovation and sustainability." FIA President Mohammed Ben Sulayem spoke on the matter, saying, "The FIA continues to push forward on innovation and sustainability across our entire motorsport portfolio. The 2026 Formula One power unit regulations are the most high-profile example of that mission. The introduction of advanced PU technology, along with synthetic sustainable fuels, aligns with our objective of delivering benefits for road car users and meeting our objective of net zero carbon by 2030. Formula One is currently enjoying immense growth, and we are confident these regulations will build on the excitement our 2022 changes have produced. Despite the new changes, the next generations of cars is expected to be just or even more powerful when they hit the track in 2026. Nonetheless, the main takeaways from the new regulations are as follows. No new fossil carbon will be burned. The 2026 power units will see an increase in the deployment of electrical power to up to 50% and utilized a 100% sustainable fuel. Increased electrical power. The current 1.6-liter V6 turbocharged internal combustion engine will evolve to include a far more powerful electrical component by utilizing more braking energy through a more efficient collection mechanism. This will result in the new MGUK to produce around 350 kilowatts in 2026, a massive increase on the 120 kilowatts of energy deployed by the current MGUK and MGUH. Over 1,000 horsepower with less fuel used. More electrical power mean less fuel consumption. The 2026 engines will aim to utilize just about 70 kilograms of fuel in any GP, which is significantly more efficient than the 100 kilograms being consumed by the current F1 cars. Better safety. A new design will ensure that the electrical components are better protected, making for a safer car. Lower costs but continued innovation. The aim here is to be more cost-effective by continuing with the cost caps, banning expensive manufacturing materials, and using standard components. Constructors will continue to remain limited to using 3 power units per car, per season. A tougher challenge for drivers. With these technical changes, drivers will have to acclimate to the operations of the engines, and how it affects the performance of the car, and their driving style. More environmentally responsible. With these new power units, the future of F1 will be just as fast and exciting as ever, but more sustainable, relevant and responsible than ever before.